Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Kitchenaid Stand Mixer Bowl 5QT is probably one of the most essential and versatile accessories for any home baker, transforming your stand mixer into an even more powerful kitchen companion, allowing you to effortlessly whip cream, knead dough, and mix batters with precision and ease, making it an indispensable tool for creating a wide array of delicious recipes right in your own kitchen. Number 5. Kitchenaid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. This mixer is built to take on any culinary challenge. Its durable metal construction ensures it will last for years to come, providing great mixing results every time. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle is perfect for both small and large batches. You can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single go, and cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. Adding ingredients is simple thanks to the tilt head design. This feature provides better access to the bowl and locks securely in place while mixing. With 10 speeds, it can handle almost any task. From a gentle stir to whipping cream at higher speeds, you'll achieve thorough ingredient incorporation for perfect results. Express your personal style with over 20 available colors. Choose the perfect shade to complement your kitchen and personality. What we like. This mixer boasts robust metal construction for longevity and 59 mixing points for superior results. If you're looking for a workhorse that can handle any recipe and also want to match your kitchen's aesthetic, this is the one for you. Its wide range of colors ensures it will be a stylish addition to your countertop. What people say. The 5QT bowl attaches firmly to the base so it doesn't wobble during mixing. This tilt head stand mixer is everything I wanted in a mixer, and then some. It works exactly the same way, and it's an awesome thing. Powerful. You can put cold butter or refrigerated cookie dough in this and begin mixing it immediately. The motor is very powerful, and I have seen almost nothing that it can't get through. Number 4. Kitchenaid 5-quart tilt head glass bowl, KSM 5GB. Elevate your baking experience with this stunning glass bowl. It's designed to complement your kitchen's aesthetic while offering practical features for everyday use. Achieve perfect results every time with the easy-to-read measurement markings. Adding ingredients directly into the bowl has never been more accurate. From melting ingredients to final mixing, this bowl handles it all. It's both dishwasher and microwave safe, offering ultimate convenience for any culinary task. Effortlessly move your creation from the mixer to your workspace. The comfortable handle ensures a secure grip for easy transportation. Transfer your batter or dough with ease. The integrated pouring spout makes it simple to move your mix to your desired pan or bowl without mess. This package includes one 5-quart glass bowl and a convenient lid. It's ready to become your new favorite kitchen essential. What we like. This extra bowl features convenient measurement markings and is both microwave and dishwasher safe. If you frequently find yourself needing to melt ingredients directly in the bowl or want precise measurements without extra dishes, this glass bowl is a great choice. It adds versatility and elegance to your baking process. What people say. The glass bowl not only looks sleek and modern, but the measurement markings on the side make it easy to follow recipes accurately. The fact that it is dishwasher safe makes cleanup a breeze. It's wonderful to be able to microwave in the bowl to melt butter and to be able to seal the lid and refrigerate for frosting and other baking. Number 3. Kitchenaid Tilt Head Pouring Shield. Tired of messy splashes and spills? Our upgraded pouring shield is designed to keep ingredients perfectly contained within your mixer bowl. Enjoy more efficient and thorough mixing every time. With its quick lock design, this shield installs and removes in seconds. Spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Crafted from food-grade PC plastic, this accessory is built for safety and longevity. It's heat-resistant, ensuring a convenient and worry-free cooking experience. The large, angled pour chute makes adding ingredients a breeze. Easily incorporate everything you need into your stainless steel mixing bowl without any waste. Designed specifically for Kitchenaid 4.5 to 5QT tilt head stand mixers with stainless steel bowls. Its fully enclosed design prevents splashes and overflows from any angle. This accessory is easy to install and remove when your mixer is stopped. It even converts into a sealed container for convenient storage. What we like. This pouring shield is designed to keep your ingredients contained and prevent messy splashes, especially with lighter flours. Made from durable, food-grade plastic, it attaches easily to your mixer. If you're tired of flour dust and batter splatters all over your kitchen, this accessory is a must-have for a cleaner baking experience. What people say. The bowl is made of stainless steel and is very durable. It fits my Kitchenaid stand mixer perfectly and is easy to clean. The handle on the bowl makes it easy to pour ingredients. Number 2. Kitchenaid 6 to 7 Cutie Stand Mixer Pouring Shield. Tired of messy countertops during baking? Our upgraded pouring shield ensures your ingredients stay in the bowl, making mixing more efficient and preventing splashes. With a quick lock design, this accessory is a breeze to install and remove. Spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your creations. Crafted from food-grade PC plastic, this shield is safe, durable, and heat-resistant. Enjoy a convenient and worry-free cooking experience. The large, angled pour chute makes adding ingredients simple and mess-free. No more wasted raw materials, just perfect mixing every time. This shield is designed to fit Kitchenaid 6-7 Cutie Bowl Lift Stand Mixers with stainless steel bowls. Its fully enclosed design prevents splashes and overflows. It easily converts into a sealed storage container, adding extra versatility. Installation and removal are quick and simple when the machine is stopped. What we like. This pouring shield offers a mess-free mixing solution for larger bowl lift mixers, effectively preventing spills and dust. Crafted from safe, heat-resistant materials, it ensures efficient ingredient incorporation. If you own a 6-7 Cutie Kitchenaid Bowl Lift model and want to maintain a spotless kitchen while mixing, this shield is the perfect addition. What people say. The bowl is made of stainless steel and is very durable. It fits my Kitchenaid mixer perfectly and is easy to clean. The handle on the bowl is a great feature, making it easy to pour ingredients. Number 1. Kitchenaid 5 Quart Stainless Steel Bowl KSM5 SSBQB. Introducing the Kitchenaid 5 Quart Stainless Steel Bowl. It's designed for durability and ease of use in your kitchen. This bowl is meticulously designed, engineered, and tested by Kitchenaid. You can trust its quality and performance. It features an easy-to-use, ergonomic handle for a comfortable grip, making your baking experience more enjoyable. Cleaning up is a breeze with this dishwasher-safe stainless steel bowl. Spend less time scrubbing and more time creating. This bowl is designed to perfectly fit all 4.5 and 5 quart Kitchenaid tilt-head stand mixers. It's the ideal accessory for your baking needs. What we like. This stainless steel bowl is engineered for durability and ease of use, featuring an ergonomic handle and dishwasher-safe convenience. If you need a reliable, easy-to-clean replacement or additional bowl for your 4.5-5 Cutie tilt-head mixer, this quilted stainless steel option is a practical and stylish choice. What people say. Works great and much lighter to lift when full of batter than the glass bowl. I used it all the time. This 5-quart bowl was made for the Kitchenaid mixer. This particular yeast bread needed 4 to 5 cups of flour, not to mention the liquid of eggs, milk, salt, sugar and yeast. I used the paddle for mix it from start to finish, and I did not start out at high speed. I started out gentle and worked up to number 3 on the mixer. I scraped down the bowl once and continued. Then when I was ready to take the dough out into my floured counter to knead into a smooth ball, the dough was completely mixed in the bottom of the bowl. Now when I go to make double batches of cookies, I know that the cookie dough will not be overflowing the bowl. It also locks in better than the basic bowl, which clears up a concern I've been hearing about in other comments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.